Selling digital products is one of the best ways of making money online. And the reason why I say that is because you just create the product once and you can sell it over and over and over again. Examples of digital products are online courses, LUTs, and also child themes. About an hour ago, I thought to myself, you know what? Let me send an email out to my mailing list and promote a product. So I used System.io and I was amazed that I was able to make $300 just by sending one email to my mailing list. So I've just made $300 in just less than an hour. So let me show you how I set it up. So before we get started, System.io is an amazing platform for running an online business. I have a link in the video description below. If you sign up for System.io using my link, I will give you access to my course that teaches you how to start an online business. All right, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to come over here to funnels. Create. Okay, so give your funnel a name. And then over here, we're going to say sell a product or service and then click on create. So I'm going to go with this basic one. So first of all, I'm going to quickly preview and I think it looks okay. So to install it, just click on select. So the next thing you want to do is to set our resources here. So I want to create a tag so I know that the person who has bought it has actually bought this particular product. So I'm going to come over here now to contacts and then click on tags. Add new tag and then click on save. So now I can go back to my product on funnels. So over here on resources, you want to click on this plus button and click on this drop down. Next, select tag and then choose the tag. So I've just created it and here it is. I'm going to select that. So now my tag is going to be applied as soon as that person purchases this product. Next, we're going to come over here to price plans. Now this is very important because you need to add your price here. So I'm going to click on this plus button. So over here, there are several ways you can set up your price plan. So you can do it as a subscription, you can do it as a one payment, or you can also split the payments. So in this case, I want just one payment. So I'm going to choose one shot. And then over here, I'm going to create a new price plan. So I'm going to click here on create new one. So this one here is for a wool crafter. Now let's give it a name. Now over here on the statement, you can also give it a description. And then on the type, we're going to say one shot. We're going to add our price. So this one here is $149 and then I'm going to hit save. So now you can see this is added. Now, if you want to add some coupon codes in case you're promoting this product, you can also add your coupon code over here. But in this case, we're going to leave that out. So for now, I'm going to hit save and let's take a quick look at our design. So I'm going to open this in a new tab and here is what it looks like so far. You can see our price now has been added and now the description is also there. Excellent. So now that we have that all set, it's time now to design this. So to design it, you want to click on this button here. I'm going to select it. So first things first, I like coming over here to my settings and then setting my font. So my font I'm going to use here is going to be Poppins. So I'm just going to add it in here like that. So now back over here, I'm just going to get rid of all the elements I don't need. So let's start with this one here. Say, okay. Now this is where you can go in and customize this text here to whatever you want. So ideally, you want to add your own features here. So adding your own features is easy. You can just start typing like that. Now over here to the right, there are also some elements I don't need, like for example, the company name and so on. So I'm just going to get rid of all of that and just leave first name, last name, and email. And to get rid of it, you can just hit delete, delete until everything that you don't need is gone. What I may also want to do is just to go in and make sure you change all the fonts so it matches all the fonts on the page. Okay, so it looks like our design is complete now. I'm just going to hit save changes and then take a quick look. Come over here to this tab and refresh. Excellent. So this is our page. We also have the thank you page to design here. So our thank you page is also very important. Now I like going with an easy design. So I'll go probably with something like this. We're going to select it. Just going to save that and then do a quick view. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Very, very simple. So you can also go in here and add a specific message if you wanted to. So you can go in here, click on this little icon. So if you have a Facebook group, you may want to add a link to your Facebook group. But if you don't, you can just leave it as it is, or you just delete this altogether, all this Facebook stuff. Now here you can also add a custom message and I'll just show you quickly how to do that. You can just drag this element here. So here you can type your message. So this could be something that goes in the line of, check your email to get all the instructions on how to download your child theme. So once you've added that, that's pretty good. Now you can hit save changes. So over here on the order form, what you can also do on the resources here, if you click on this plus button and click on select resource, If it's a course, this is where you can select course and then target the course that you've already created, which is on system.io. But if it's a downloadable product, then what you want to do is to come over here to the thank you page. So what you want to do now is you want to use this button as the option to download the child theme. Click on this gear icon to go into the button settings. Now system.io is super smart. This button here has so many options. So if I come over here, notice it says action when button is clicked. So right now it opens a URL, but if you go into the options here, it says download file. So this is what we need. So you click on download file, and then over here, you can upload the child theme. Check this out. If I click here, I can click on select files or just drag and drop it. So I'm going to find my file here on my computer. So here it is. We have a blog template here. So I'm just going to use this as the example. So I'm just going to drag and drop it like that. I'm going to hit insert. And here it is, it has been inserted. So when they click here, they're going to go ahead and download that file. So now all I have to do is to change this text. So now I can say download your child theme. I can also change the font here just to match everything like that. You can make it bold. There we go. So once I have this all saved, I can go ahead now and save changes. Now let's test and see if this button actually works. So I'm going to exit. In fact, let's view the page. All right, so I'm going to come over here, click on download. Now, what you may also want to do is to send an email to everyone that has downloaded this, just to thank them and also maybe give them further instructions if there's any like videos to show them how to use it. So let me show you how to set that up. So now I'm just going to exit from here, and then I'm going to come over here to workflows. So I'm going to say create. So this one here is Woocrafter. I'm going to create. So let's go in and set it all up. So now I'm going to say create first trigger. I'm going to go in here, and the trigger here is when someone purchases. Go to new sale. I'm going to select. So I know it's this one here. Hit create, and then I can decide what I need to do. So my first action here could be send an email, and here it is. You can send an email, and then next you want to create a new email, give it a subject line, add all the details in the email, and then once you've done that, the process now is going to be automated. When someone purchases the product, they're going to get that automatic email. So as you can see, it's very, very easy to set up your page where you can sell your digital product. But remember, you also need to promote your product on social media using ads and also using a mailing list in order for this to work. So I will be showing you some tutorials on how I grow my YouTube channel and also how I generate my leads. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.